Times have changed. The hard sell has all but gone. We live in an undisputed economy of trust, not just relationships. How to win friends and influence people was a couple of lifetimes ago. 21st century influence requires us to influence across boundaries, across cultures, across reporting lines. And it's not just salespeople who need to influence. If we want our ideas considered, our opinions heard, or our proposal accepted, we are all in the game of influence. What's important now is to upskill people with clear, simple, and proven techniques to increase the influence capability of you and your staff. And it needs to be delivered by a trusted, proven professional who has an ability to connect, engage, and entertain. That's where I come in. With my own proprietary IP, the Triangle of Influence, I've worked with tens of thousands of people across 5 continents. We use a 4-step process. Determine what you want, how you connect, what value you provide, and how you make someone feel safe. The program is not industry specific, so it can and has been used in a variety of industries and roles. The Triangle of Influence has a variety of applications: a keynote, half-day workshop, or even full-day workshop, lunch and learn module, or even as part of an intensive executive or leadership coaching package. With over 14 years of experience in my own speaking business, working with these amazing local and global organisations, my Triangle of Influence program is one of my most often booked sessions. You can download the complimentary Triangle of Influence ebook on my website now. I look forward to implementing this amazing program with you and your staff very soon. I'm Anthony Bonici. Thanks for watching.